Beneath the surface of a world we think we know, there is another world, silent, vast, and alive in ways we rarely imagine. Down where light fades into deep blue and time feels slower, something extraordinary begins to take shape. Not built on land, not suspended in air, but resting gently in the ocean's quiet embrace. A structure of glass and vision where nature and design no longer stand apart. Inside this hidden realm, life does not struggle against its environment. It adapts, it flows, it becomes something more. Walls of transparent strength hold back the weight of the sea, not as a barrier, but as a boundary that invites wonder. Beyond them, the ocean moves like a living sky, endless, shifting, eternal. And within these glowing chambers, life thrives. Plants rise toward carefully shaped light, their leaves responding to rhythms not of wind, but of water and sun filtered through deep currents. Every surface reflects movement, every corner breathes with quiet energy. It is not a garden built in isolation, it is a conversation between earth and ocean. Outside, creatures of the deep pass like thoughts drifting through a dream. Inside, there is warmth, oxygen, growth, and stillness coexisting in perfect balance. Technology is no longer separate from nature here. It becomes invisible, allowing life to take center stage. This is not an escape from the world above. It is a reminder of what is possible when imagination stops resisting nature and begins listening to it instead. When architecture becomes soft enough to follow the curves of the sea and strong enough to hold an entire ecosystem within its grasp. Time feels different here. Moments stretch, silence becomes meaningful. Even the smallest movement, a leaf shifting, a ripple of water against glass, feels important. And yet, there is something deeply human about it all, a desire to create beauty in places where it was never expected to exist, to find connection in environments once considered unreachable, to build not against nature, but with it. Far above, waves continue to break, storms continue to form, and the world continues its restless motion. But down here, beneath all of that, there is clarity, there is balance, there is a sanctuary shaped by vision, patience, and wonder. And it feels like the beginning of something we have always been moving toward, even if we never knew it.